Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Rivers generate an enormous amount of environment data every year, but in many regions, that data doesn't translate into real decision. Our project explores how research in artificial intelligence can transform environment monitoring into operational intelligence.
This map shows the section of the river where our monitoring stations are located. Across the station, we have historical water quality data from 1990 and 2023. And you are here, okay, in Abu Dhabi, and we are here in Colombia, okay. Uh, Using unsupervised analysis in machine learning models, you developed predictive model for two key indicators, pH and biochemical oxygen demand. Prediction alone is not enough, but the reason we use K2Think V2 is a scientific reasoning engine. The interpret machine learning models perform model selection within and analysis environment anomalies. Here we see how K2Think interprets models' performance. It evaluates metrics such as coefficient of determination, root mean square error, mean absolute error. Then it translates statistical metrics into scientific meaning. Um, Let me show a live example. Here we introduce the new river observation into the system. And the system enriches this observation with historical and spatial context. K2Think then analyzes the situation and generates an environment alert. This demonstrates how reasoning based artificial intelligence can transform environmental data into actionable intelligence. This project has development by Viviana Racero and Weimar Cortes. Thank you very much.